Hi, my name is Danielle Woolley. I'm Head of Customer Success at Adestra. Today, I'm talking about how you can drive results for your business with first-person marketing. I think many of us are starting to build personalization into our strategies. More of us are using automation in order to create customer journeys based on life cycle stages and behavior, and a lot of us are using tactics such as segmentation, and I think we will see more and more of that. I think it will become a core part of marketers' strategies, and I think there are new innovations coming in with email all the time. It doesn't stand still as a channel, so we're seeing a lot more clients doing things like kinetic email, so things that will really make their emails stand out in the inbox.